Hi, I'm Rob Frenette with a quick video on how to set up and use the Code Analysis Agent app in the GitHub repo linked in the description below. Before we get started, I want to mention that the sample code in this project comes from the repo which contains the local multimodal hybrid RAG agent I built for my final project in CSC IE89 Deep Learning at Harvard Extension School in the fall 2025 semester. So if you're interested in that app, I'll put a link to the repo in the description as well. Now, to run this app, you'll need Ollama installed on your local machine and the Llama 3.23 billion model pulled, or of course you can use any LLM of your choice. So I'll jump into a terminal and run Ollama list, and you can see I currently have Llama 3.23b and the Nomic embed text models, both of which are used in the final project I previously mentioned. So to test the Llama model, I'll execute Ollama run Llama 3.23b, then ask it a question. And we get a response. Now I'm going to go up to the upper right hand corner of my screen, click the Ollama icon, and quit Ollama. Then I'm going to jump into another terminal because we'll need this one later, and execute Ollama serve to launch the Ollama server. And you'll need to do this as well if your server is not already running. Now with the repo pulled, I'll jump into cursor and we could take a look at the project structure. So all the app code is in the app folder. There's a backend FastAPI app and a front-end Flask app. And we have a data folder which contains the source code you'll provide to the agent. So make sure you populate the source folder with the source code files that you want to pass to the agent. When the agent runs and you ask for analysis on a code file, an audio file will be placed on the server in the narration folder. And to kick the app off, there's a startup shell script. So let's jump back into the terminal and execute the startup script. And we see the app is launched with URLs to the backend and front end. So let's grab the backend URL, jump to the browser, and we'll add docs to the endpoint. And we see the FastAPI server is running. Now let's grab the front end URL, jump back in the browser and load that, and we see the code analysis agent. So let's go ahead and pick a source code file and begin analysis. When the response comes back, we see the source code file and an analysis, as well as an audio file.
This is a Python script that creates and populates an SQLite database with data from CSV files.
And if we pick another file and begin analysis, of course we get a new analysis and a new audio file.
This is a Python script that creates and populates a vector store using the ChromaDB framework.
Then back in the terminal, we can execute the shutdown shell script to terminate the application. So that concludes this demo on running the code analysis agent. I hope you found it interesting.